Good day, dear students. In this video, we are going to learn about the introduction to coordinate geometry. On a graph paper, plot each of the following points as given below. On a graph paper, draw two mutually perpendicular lines, x dash, O and x. So to the left of O is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. To the right of origin is +1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And draw y, o, y dash. Y represents positive integers, that is 1 units, positive units, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And y dash represents the negative axis, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. These lines are known as coordinate axes. The line x dash o x is called x-axis and the line y o y dash is called y-axis and the point O is called origin. The plane of the paper containing both the coordinate axes is called Cartesian plane. Now we are going to mark point A of 4, 3. Now, how to mark A of 4, 3? Take 4 units, that is positive. Here A is positive, that is 4, 3. So take 4 units along the x-axis and plus 3 units on the y-axis. They intersect over here A of 4, 3 and B of 5, -3. Take 5 units along the x-axis, 5 units and the intersection of -3 of y, that is ordinate of B is -3. So they intersect over here B of 5, -3. Now C of 0, 4. So x is 0. So on our y-axis x is always 0. So on y-axis x is always 0. Wherever it is x is 0. On x-axis y is always 0. Now it is 0 over here, 4 units, that is plus 4 units. So take 4 units along the y-axis and there is no x-axis, so it will intersect at C 0, 4. D of 7, 0, take 7 units along x-axis and the y-axis already 0 because it is given as 0. On x-axis y is 0. So it intersects over here D of 7, 0. E of -3, -5. So where is -3 along x-axis? Here and -5 along the y-axis is over here. So the intersection of -3, -5 is E. Similarly, mark the points G and H. Plot each of the following points on a graph sheet. Verify it lies on a line. The units are given as 4, 0, that is abscissa is 4, ordinate is 0. Abscissa of A is 4 and ordinate of A is 0. Now, mark point A on a graph sheet. So take 4 units along x-axis and y is 0 on x-axis, right? So mark a point A of 4, 0 and B of 4, 2. Take 4 units along x-axis and 2 units along y-axis. They intersect over here B of 4, 2. C of 4, 2.5. Take 4 units along x-axis and 2.5 units over the y-axis. The intersection of 4, 2.5 is C over here. And D of 4, 6. Take 4 units along x-axis and 6 units along y-axis. So the intersection of 4, 6 is point D. If you join A, B, C, D, they form a straight line. So it is proved that it lies on a line. After joining the points P of 1, 3, Q of 1, 5, R of 3, 3, S of 3, 5, we can see they form a square. Now, draw XOX and YOY dash and mark the positive axis and the negative axis of both x and y coordinates and mark a point P 1, 3. Take 1 unit along x-axis and 3 units along y-axis. The intersection of P is 1, 3. And mark Q such that take 1 unit along x-axis over here and 5 units along y-axis. So the intersection of 1, 5 is Q, lies here. And take 3 units along x-axis, that is 3 units along x-axis and 3 units along y-axis. So the intersection of 3, 3 is point R. And mark a point S 3, 5, take 3 units along x-axis and 5 units along y-axis such that the intersection forms S of 3, 5. Now join P, Q, R, S, they form a square. They form a square. Locate the given points A of 1, 2, B of 3, 4 and C of 5, 2 on a graph sheet taking suitable axes. Write the coordinates of the fourth point D in order to complete the rhombus A, B, C, D. Measure the diagonals of this rhombus and check whether they are equal or not. Now draw X dash O X axis and Y O Y dash and mark the positive and negative axis accordingly. Now take a point A of 1, 2. That is, along x-axis take 1 unit and along y-axis take 2 units. The intersection of 1, 2 is point A. And take 3 units along x-axis and 4 units. 3 units along x-axis and 4 units along y-axis. So the intersection forms a point B of 3, 4. And take 5 units along x-axis and 2 units along y-axis such that the intersection forms point C of 5, 2 on a graph sheet. Now we are going to join A, B and C and write the ordinates of the fourth point D. How to find the ordinate of fourth point D? Such that they have the diagonals to be equal. Now join A, B, C. You know that the length of AB, BC and CD has to be equal. So measure the length of A and B. So the difference is 2 units, right? Similarly 3 to 5, 2 units and 1 to 3, 2 units. Now join the point of 3, 0 such that it forms a point D. Now it forms a rhombus and measure the diagonals of AC and diagonals of BC such that they are equal. Now AC equal to 4 units and BD equal to 4 units such that the diagonals are equal. Hence it is proved that it is a rhombus. Locate the points P of 3, 4 and Q of 1, 0, R of 0, 4 and S of 4, 1 on a graph sheet and write the ordinates of the points of intersection of line segments PQ and RS. Now draw X dash O and X and Y O Y dash and mark the points of P, Q, R, S such that the ordinates of the point forms the intersection of the line segments PQ and RS. Now join PQ. So they asked to form a line segment PQ. So now join PQ. They form one line segment and join RS such that this forms another line segments and check whether they are intersecting at one point. So the intersecting point, mark the intersecting point here. It is the point lies over here. So what is the intersecting point along x-axis? It is 2.2 along x-axis and here it is 2.3 along y-axis. So the intersecting point, mark it as O such that 2.2, 2.3.